How's it going, guys? Let's talk about Bitcoin and what Bitcoin can be doing for the weekend. I will be covering this trade because a lot of you guys are asking about it, so let's just jump right in. Real quickly, guys, so you can know this in the beginning, I want to get this out of the way so you don't feel like you missed out or anything like that. The indicators, the price versus the well money flow, is going up in 2 days. You guys have 2 days left. The weekend is all you guys have to get that. I'm then going to be upping the trend exhaustion the month after, so make sure you guys watch that as well. I'll cover it in this video. I just don't want you guys to miss that. Just want to start with that. Okay, we are currently, actually this morning when I got on video with you guys, we were currently 71 for 71 wins. Today we've already secured 2 more wins on this channel. So we are now 73 for 73 wins, and we have not lost a trade here. This one was over here for VET, actually at 6.62% profit. I'll actually, let me put my glasses on here for a second. Let me show this to you guys here on VET so you guys can see this, and I promise we'll get into Bitcoin. Got an entry here, and then we actually took out 50% up here on the 29th, which was today, and so I moved the stop loss to break even. If this thing comes up here and keeps moving up really fast, I'm just going to take the stop loss and move this up here for us so we can make more money. Literally, this thing can go as high as it wants to go, and we'll just trail this with a stop loss, and that'll be really good profits. The other one over here for 72 for 72 wins on the channel here was actually for 4.90%, and that was on Link. So let me show you guys Link real quick, and then I'll jump into Bitcoin. Entry here, we took an exit there. What I ended up doing was putting our stop loss down at break even, so this can have a healthy higher low. We have a low, a high, a higher low formation looking to form up, and then if that thing keeps going, I'm just going to move the stop loss all the way up with us. If it does come crashing down, I wanted to make sure we at least secured some profits in here and we wouldn't lose any more, so we put a stop loss at the entry. I'm literally updating you guys with everything you possibly need for these trades if you just follow me over here, and literally it's $49 a month for your membership, and I'll go into that in a little bit here. Okay, all right guys, let's do this. Let's go over Bitcoin. And literally, I just want to pretend like you are sitting next to me and like I'm training like an employee that we have or a contractor or whatever. You're my brother, and my brother or my dad is sitting next to me. I'm going to teach you guys what I'm looking at, and this is how I do my analysis of what I think is going to happen. And this is how I literally set up trades here to get you guys to be winning 73 for 73 wins. This is really what I do. So here's what I'm looking at. And so it might just be a little calmer video than normal. So let's just dive in. Here's what I like to do. I like to take out this trend line right here, and I like to look at trend line bounces. I don't use a lot of trend lines. I just use the simple ones like, hey, where's the top, where's the bottom? So I'll take this, and I'm also looking at this here. I know a lot of people are probably going to say, you know, you should probably pull the candle wick here. This is kind of an anomaly. I think this is a greater structure on the chart. So what we're seeing right now is obviously, you know, people are doing well in this trade. I want to make this comment here real quick. You guys saw this called out in the Telegram channel, so I wasn't going to do it on this video to waste time, but let me just point this out real quick. I am not counting this as a win, just so you guys know. The fact of the matter is, it actually did not get hit on Coinbase. Check this out real quick. I want to make this transparent because I want to keep everything honest on this channel. A lot of people ended up getting triggered in here on other exchanges that they're using, but people who are using Coinbase didn't get triggered in. There was actually I think there was like a $60 spread here or something like that you guys didn't from the entry to the bottom here. It's like 55, yeah, like $60.03. So it didn't get picked up for Coinbase. So what I did is, I don't want to count this as a win because some people didn't get picked up. So what I did is I didn't count it as a win or a loss. I just helped you guys manage this. We are officially 73 for 73 wins, and all these buy limits have been hit. So I just want to keep that updated for you guys. If you're wondering like, why is our win rate not higher? It's because I just want to keep it honest, and only when we officially hit these buy limits on Coinbase am I going to actually, you know, be tracking these trades so everybody can get in. So there's no question in the comments of if it's true or not. It is always true, I promise, guys. All right. So let's get into this. Great job for those of you guys who are in here. We ended up buying in, and then we ended up exiting. I called an exit here at 61,748, and then I moved our stop loss to this entry here. Let me get this a little bigger so you guys see the spread here. It's 60,915. So if this comes back down, we will get tagged out of this trade. What I'm looking for over the weekend, and what you guys really need to be watching for, is a few things. You need to watch the trend exhaustion very carefully, as well as the price versus the well money flow. The reason for this is historically when we get up into these higher sections here, we are tapping out in Bitcoin, and we are seeing very fast retracements back down in the market. See, when we got up into this section here, as well as the well money flow got up here, we could not head too much higher, and we saw a very fast move back down. We also saw this correlated over here when we saw price move back down when we got to the top red section, as well as the well money flow being high, and we can see this over here as well. Well money flow is high, as well as the trend exhaustion is high. We are seeing pullbacks in the market. All right, what I'm seeing over here right now is we are getting to these top sections here, and we are creating what's called an ascending ascending support line. This is what's called an ascending support. If we break this, this is usually a place where you start heading down very fast. It's basically what's called an ascending wedge pattern. So when you see this, this will usually break to the downside like this, maybe get a retest, and it will start coming back down. The interesting thing about this, however, is that we have a descending support. This is a support because it's below the current price and it's descending, where I think we could actually get a bounce off of this, and we could, for Bitcoin, actually ping pong within this zone here for a little while over the weekend. So over the weekend, I'm not expecting to see any crazy moves up. Why? Is because with the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow is getting to these higher sections, and historically we do see moves back down when we get up here. This is literally how I call the tops and bottoms in the markets and how we have called the last few crashes over here, especially ones like this, where we ended up seeing the well money flow very high as well as the trend exhaustion. We said, no guys, please do not FOMO into any trades. Be patient with us. Let's enter our buy limits in when we start crashing back down. We also did this over here where I called the drop for the price versus the well money flow. We saw this over here. It was actually moving in a downward fashion. Money was flowing out of the market while price structure was heading up. This was a sign to me that we were moving in divergence, and this was not going to see a move up. It was going to see a crash. We did get picked up on trades, and we have won, well, now that we're at 73, we've won about 21 trades in a row with just this one bull market cycle. Seriously, we really have. You guys can look it in the Telegram channel. Real quickly, I don't want to turn this into a sales video, but the price versus well money flow, you guys have 2 days left. If you want to get this indicator, go over here to the website. It's in the description under indicators tab, and I'll show you guys how to get these later, but this is where it's at. The bundle pack is the best deal. I won't, again, no sales right now. I'll do in the second half of the video when I show you guys how to actually set up our new entries so you don't miss a single trade. The analysis for the weekend, guys, is very, very simple. It is this. You want to make sure your buy limits are set up. I'm sorry. I guess I'm not sorry about this, but I have found that you can spend a lot of time looking at news articles, doing a lot of research, but really what it comes down to is making money. Like, right? Like, if we're honest with ourselves, why in the world are we wasting all this time if we're not winning trades and we're not making money? With that said, yes, there are some very good reasons to look at the fundamentals in news. I will tell you, however, that I have not looked at a news article for about 4 months when I've traded, and we have not lost a single trade. I'm trying to prove to you guys, you do not need fundamental analysis or news articles, which are the most manipulative for all retail traders, to win in the market. You just need good indicators, and I'm serious, guys. Some people are like, no, you don't need any indicators. Well, I've called the tops and bottoms so many times, and we exit with these, and this is how we're winning. So I'm proving it to you that you do need them, okay? Indicators, metrics, which I'm going to go over here in a second. I'm actually going to show this to you guys for Bitcoin right now. And then a good risk management strategy. Those three together are how we are not losing any trades on this channel. And we're just going to keep going. I'm going to try to go 80 for 80 wins in November. And it's kind of cool because we're already up 3 on 70 going into November here. Okay, let's go over the metrics here and give us an idea of what's happening. Here's what we're looking at as far as the emotional index on Bitcoin. This is already updated today. This will update tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as our entries, which I will show you guys in about 2 minutes here. Very good down here for, you guys hear me say this all the time. I love it when this metric comes out and it says, hey, the market's anxious or it's fearful. Why? It's just simple. Well, look at the chart. Like, what has happened when we get into anxiousness and fearfulness? We see pumps in the market. We see pumps in the market. Pushing down here, we see a pump in the market. We also see the push down here to anxious. We see pumps in the market. It is historically true that when we get down here, we are seeing moves back up in the market almost every single time. So this is a great place to do what, guys? Is it a great time to short? I don't know. I think it's actually a better time to look for long trades, which is why we're actually in a long trade right now, and we're riding this back up, okay? I'll go back there in a second. Oh, follow me down here. I want to show you guys something. You guys know I've done this on the chart with you. Something else is happening here where this prophecy has literally been taken true. It's been true every time, every single time. It's not scary, but it's like weird. Watch this. Price action coming down here with long trades entering into the market ended up forcing the price back up. Price action moving up with long trades moving out of the market. What happened? Price structure had to go back down. This is weird, guys. Watch this again. Price structure moves down. Long trades move into the market. What had to happen? Price ended up moving up. Price structure moving up. Long trades moving out of the market. What happened? We saw the price move back down. It's like scary accurate. Watch this. Price action moving down. Long trades entering into the market. Price action moves up. Price action moving up. Long trades move out of the market. Price crashes back down. Price crashes back down. Long trades enter back into the market. What's going on right now? This is literally like a prophecy coming true every time you guys see this. I spend so much time on this on the videos because it is crazy how accurate this is. When you guys look at the flow of long trades, on the exchange for Bitfinex of what's actually happening here, this is where we are literally seeing prophecy take place before it happens. I hopefully I can use that word. I'm a Christian, and I'm like, prophecy works for me. It's a great word. I like it. It makes sense in my opinion. Like, we are trying to predict, prophesy what's about to happen over here. Prophesy, maybe. It's kind of a joke. Make profit and you prophesy. Okay. So the price is going up here. Long trade's moving out, and we see this moving back down. This pattern is held true about 5 to 6 times. So what we could be seeing here, I want you guys to watch this, is if we start seeing Bitcoin drop down even further, long trades increase, this will be the exact setup over here, where long trades increased and the price action went down, which we could be seeing another pump before the end of the year. If you guys just got this out of this video and you guys follow our metrics, you guys are literally going to be golden. It's incredible. I'll go over some profits at the end of this video to show you guys what some traders did this last week. A guy made $4,000. He like woke up in the morning. He made $4,000 on our trades. It's like insane. Another guy he made $1,000 while he slept. Okay, this over here, long or short trade risk. Where are we looking at? We're neutral right now. Now, when you guys hear me say this neutral, what does that mean? It just means you don't want to be taking any trades right now. My personal opinion is to get the next buy limit set up for Bitcoin. I'll show you guys how to do that here in a second. Take a look at this. Well, and institutional smart money for Bitcoin going over the weekend. What do you guys expect? Well, let's look to see what the actual big boys are doing in here. Wells and institutions at smart money, they are always buying the dip. Guys, all retail traders in here started selling this like crazy, and they started FOMOing out of their long trades thinking that's going to drop out to, $50,000. That's not the case. If you guys are over here and you're able to watch this, you actually ended up seeing that the wells and institutions were accumulating long trades over here, and this actually pumped the price back up, okay? This is exactly what we're doing. Like, it would be one thing if I said this is what you guys should be doing, and I'm not doing it myself, but literally, we're in a long trade right now up 8% because we are trading with wells, institutions, and smart money. We do not trade with retail traders. Retail traders are anxious, and they're selling. They are perfectly creating the liquidity for everybody trading on this channel, and I've proven that to you guys so many times. We have huge money. We have, like, I don't want to go into there. Anyway, like, if I announce some people in our channel, like celebrities, you guys would actually know them. It's kind of funny that we're growing this fast, and we have a lot of big money players in this channel over here. So the average person I coach is between $100,000 to about $8 million now that they trade with crypto. It's pretty incredible. So when we come out with trades here, we are actually getting a lot of money into these signals, which arguably can actually help us a little bit because there's a lot of people trading with the strategy now that have a lot of money. So just keeping that transparent. Okay, support resistance prices. Let me make a point on that real quick because I can already hear it right now. Are we able to move the market with our little group? No. I'm just saying that it helps to get people on the right side of the market on lower time frames. You guys can see little pumps happen when we get in there. You have to have billions and billions to move this market. Okay, I just wanted to I don't want to get any weird people out there thinking I'm saying something I'm not. Okay, Bitcoin. As far as resistances in here, I am looking at this resistance up here at $67,000. 67 just puts us at structure high. Could we hit this over the weekend? I highly doubt we are going to hit 67,000 over the weekend. One, we have time. I don't think over the weekend we're going to get this high. I think what we're probably going to see is actually a sell-off over the weekend for Bitcoin and see it move back down because this is what historically has been happening when we get to the top sections over here, okay? Watch this. Moving down here, dollar cost average entries. This is going to show you guys, let's just say, for example, you have $10,000, okay? And you want to throw in $1,000 into the market every single time you get a green line. Great, you can do that. Now, is this going to go off, give you guys, the best entries on every single cryptocurrency? No, it's not the best ones. What this is to get you guys into the market at low prices so you guys can eventually hold for maybe 5 to 10 years, okay? I'm sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. I have an alarm going off in the house. I'm going to be right back. I apologize. 1 second. Okay, guys. I'm back. Sorry. I ended up laying down a little bit earlier, and I set an alarm for myself, and I beat the alarm. Got up before the alarm. Such a good feeling. So I didn't turn it off, and it was getting cranky in the bedroom. Okay, looking at this, basically what I was trying to say is these are dollar cost average entries. If you guys have like $1,000, you want to throw $100 into each line here. Awesome. That's great. Sorry, trying to catch my breath here. I literally ran through the house to go turn that off. All right, I'm going to have to edit some of this out of the video. All right, exit points. I promise I'll get to the point where I show you guys how to get into these trades. This is real life, guys. I'm literally trading. This is my life. We have a family. We have a newborn, about 6 weeks old. I'm doing this with you guys, and we are literally just doing life together, which is pretty fun, and it doesn't always look amazing. It looks messy sometimes, and that's okay. All right, exit points. Looking up here, a possible exit. This pretty much just tells me I'm not looking for drops every time in the market when I see this. This basically just says, hey, if you're in a long trade, maybe look to take some profit out, like 25 or 50%, just because we could be heading down soon. This is showing us that we are currently in a golden cross 50 above the 200 moving average. All right, guys, Let's now go to probably my favorite part of this video, where I show you guys how to actually get over here and start taking the trades so you can not miss any more trades, okay? The membership is $49 a month. I say this a lot in the videos. Guys, I am looking to up the price of this. Here's my goal here. If I don't have to up the price, I'm not going to try to. We're growing so fast that I'm needing to hire more people on to help, because literally I wake up Monday mornings and I have between 100 to, last Monday I had 122 emails in my inbox Monday morning. I'm trying to get help with some of this. So I'm looking to up the price of this to help with payroll. Basically, that's what to be completely honest with you guys. So I don't know when I'm going to up this, but I'm letting you guys know now, everyone who gets in at $49 a month, if and when I up this, I promise to keep you guys at $49 a month. Basically, it's what's called grandfathering you in. So if I up this to $100 to $200 to help pay business expenses, great. You guys can stay at $49 a month so I can honor all of you guys in that. That will give you access to all the metrics over here that I just went over for Bitcoin. You get them for all of these. Here's the most important part that you guys want to do right now. This is not financial advice. I just have to put that out there. So YouTube can hear it. I'm not a financial advisor. We're just people making a lot of money in the market, and we haven't lost a trade yet. I guess is the best way to say that. Looking over here, you guys can pick any coin. I promise you guys, I will update you on every single coin. It's not like right now I'm in 88 in Ethereum. That's what I'm trying to get into. I am not cherry picking this just of what I'm in here. I promise to update you guys, like on BTC here. I'm updating on DOT here. Every single coin in here, I promise to give you guys a link in here. Every single one. The reason why I do not add more coins to this is because I am not going to stress myself out with more coins. I will give you guys everything I have and give you very good entries and exits over here, but I need to keep it to 10. That's why we're making so much money, because if you have someone that's trying to call out trades and they've got like 30 coins they're trying to track, it is emotionally draining on that person. And if I can be honest here, it's not actually valuable to your members to drain yourself. 10 coins I can fully manage, and I can give you guys great exits. That's why I think we haven't lost a trade yet, and because we have such good entries. So here's what you guys are going to do. Pick any of the coins. This is exactly how we have won all 73 for 73 wins. You're going to do this. Come to any chart here and make sure you see the current time frame. This basically today is 10:29. Awesome. You guys are going to put 4 buy limits into your exchange. So if you guys have $250, sorry. I was just thinking about something else and I got sidetracked. Let's use 1,000. We could use 250 if you wanted to, but let's use 1,000. This will make this a lot easier because I don't want to do the math in my head on that. You basically need to take your trade allotment. Let's say it's $1,000, and you guys need to break it into 4 equal sections. So $1,000 divided by 4 is what? It's 250, 250, 250, 250. If you had $4,000, you'd put $1,000 at each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit, simply just come in here and put a sell limit at your guys' first line above the buy limit. So here's the first buy limit. Here's your first sell limit up here. Place it in your exchange. Once you guys do that, come down here. Here's the video if you guys need any help understanding how this works. Make sure you guys sign up for Telegram on your computer or your phone, and then click Telegram once you're logged into the channel here, and it will give you guys a hot link that will actually add you over into the group here. It looks like we've grown, I think, about 50 members today or something like that. It's pretty crazy. So I'll be updating you guys over here about exits. And if you guys want to look at all the wins, just look for the little party hat right here. And I don't know if you could actually search the party hat. It would be kind of fun if you could. Actually, maybe you can. Hold on. I'm sorry. I know this is a little longer. I'm just trying to have a little bit more fun on today's video. I don't know if this will actually... No, it won't. Okay. I just know if it would pull up all the wins. Anyways, look for the party hat. That's actually all the wins. And I give you guys proof of everything. And I even keep track of the timestamps in here of when these actually went off. So everything is transparent. Okay. Once you guys do that, make sure you are getting the indicators like I've mentioned. You guys want to, at minimum... Being honest here about this, you want to get the price first of all, money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. Yes, there are 9 indicators you can get. You do not need all of them for crypto. I know this is like, why isn't he selling more? Guys, you just need the 3. Like, that's enough. If you guys want to get the bundle pack, you guys will get... Sorry, this is the worst arrow ever drawing. If you guys want to get the bundle pack, it's 81% off. Okay, it literally will give you all the indicators at the cheapest price. And there, you can actually use these all on Forex, cryptos, and stocks. So there is a lot of value to the other ones. But I'm just saying, if you guys are on a strict budget, at minimum, get the price for swell, money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion, because that's what I'm using on my charts. And I use them in every single call over here. You guys will see me sometimes make reference to this. They are always on the charts, okay? So I just want to show that to you guys. Like even over here where I just referenced this, I think this was today. The trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are close to the top and expecting to see some selling soon. I'm giving you guys understanding of why I'm using these so you can understand how to use these yourself and you guys can follow along with the trades in here. So guys, that's all I've got for you here, which is, a pretty good update, 73 for 73. Make sure you guys get the indicators on the website because they're going up and you have 2 days. You have the weekend and that's it. I'm upping the prices on Monday when I get back. And then make sure you guys are getting your membership over here. It's $49 a month. and follow me in the Telegram channel. That's really it. You guys can end the video right now and go on with your way. I'm going to spend like 1 minute here and just like have a little fun with you guys if you want to hang around with me here. I'll show you guys some testimonials from literally our traders from this last week. So this guy is kind of cool here. I kind of thought it was funny a little bit. Woke up this morning to hitting my sell limit at the first yellow line on Doge. It was good for a 34% profit. My biggest win yet. Oh, good job, man. Like I'm blocking out some of their names in here to keep them private. But good job, man. Like I was able. You were good. You took the buy limits and you were able to make your biggest trade yet. Good job. This guy here says subscribe to the site and get the indicators. You will not be disappointed. Let's go. 70 wins. So we're actually 73 for 73 now. This guy down here, I thought this was just really cool, so I added it. Dude, I made my first sale, Doge, at 0.32 cents. Super stoked. I'm super stoked for you too, man. Good job. This guy in here made 17,000 euro in one single day. Sold at the top thanks to the indicators. I put this in here because some of you guys are like, oh, the indicators are cool, but do I really need them? Yeah, people are literally exiting here and making thousands of dollars with the indicators. This is really cool. Excuse me, so let's see if I can actually read here. Life looks very different when you feel that you can control your own destiny and you don't depend on a paycheck to be able to make a difference for others. I think this relates to a lot of people who are watching this video right now. If you made it to the end of this channel, or end of this video here, you guys are probably people who are like, I just want to trade for a living. You're probably tired of your job, and I don't blame you for that. A lot of people just want to trade for a living. I have so many people trading for a living in this channel. It kind of blew me away of how many people. We have a guy doing about $30,000 a week right now. We have he did $40,000. Like, let me continue here. Let me just show this to you guys. Here, just take a look at this. So this guy down here. Thanks again for the content. I'm keeping a trading log now. I have about doubled my account, almost $4,000. That's insane. Like, look at this person down here. By the way, I've been profitable about $2,000 since subscribing to your membership, and that's pretty cool. Just wanted to let you know. Our membership's $49 a month. I know it's worth more, guys. I literally, people I coach online who have $100,000 to $1 million, they're like, why are you charging more? I'm like, man, I want to help retail traders. Like, real quick, I literally taught all of these strategies to hedge funds when I coached them in a past business that I had. And I'm like, you know what? I want to help more people. And so I literally released it to you guys, and part of that, of what I knew when teaching those guys, is what I'm using here, and this is why we're not losing trades, okay? Look at like two more here, which is kind of fun right here. This guy down here, Matthias, great job, man. Thanks for the update. Made about $4,000 this morning alone. That is insane. Good job, man. I'll leave you guys with this one. I just thought this was cool. Jude, you're awesome. Thank you. I appreciate the words for this. This is the only channel where I can actually make money. This is the best advice any person can receive. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that, Jude. I've said this in every video today, but I appreciate that a lot. I remember I actually started this channel off where I gave a lot of news analysis. And then I said one day, I woke up and I was like, this isn't enough. I'm sick and tired of doing news articles. I want to just make people money. And so I literally transitioned over and I said, what we're going to do is we're going to call this strict profit videos. And so we ended up doing that. And ever since then, I've been taking live trades with you guys here and using my own money. I'm not just calling out these for you guys. I literally have $21,000 of my own money in here. And I'll show this isn't a screenshot or anything weird like that. Like I literally trade in Coinbase with you guys with all this money. And we're up right now. It's pretty cool. $21,324. So I am putting my money where my mouth is. I'm trading with you guys and we're having a blast. So I know this video is long. I'm sorry. Anybody who followed to the end of this video, like, thanks guys. I just really appreciate that. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators because those are going up. Just snag them on your chart. Monday morning, I am going to up it. I'm sorry guys. I can't like say, oh, I'm sorry you missed out on the weekend. I just need to keep everything honest with everyone. I will up the price Monday morning, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at lunchtime. That's when you guys have, so you have the weekend and that's it. So make sure you guys snag those. Make sure you guys do get your membership over here. And you guys will lock in at $49 a month for that. And if you guys have any questions, email me at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Again, I don't answer emails or business over the weekend. I'm going to have fun with my family. I'm going to rest. I pray that you guys are safe over on Halloween, that you pray safety over you guys and your kids if they go out, around the town. Just have a really good restful weekend and really enjoy your family. That's what I hope for you guys this weekend, that you just really, really enjoy your family. Make sure you guys take a break from the charts. Don't always be sitting on the videos, on my videos or YouTube. Spend time with your family. That's what I'm going to really be focusing on. So I'm going to end the video here, answer a few more emails. I'm shutting this down for Friday, and I'm going to go out to dinner with my wife and my newborn baby. He's coming up on like 7 weeks now. Thanks, guys, for the congratulations. I know this video is already long enough. I just enjoy it. It's kind of fun to give you guys a little personal one-on-one in my life with these videos. So God bless you guys. so much. Have an amazing weekend. The indicators, the membership are all in the description, and you guys can snag those before they go up in price. And I will see you guys Monday morning. Oh, real quick, I'm so sorry. All the indicators in here, if you guys want these, they come with a tutorial video of how to set them up. You do not need me over email at all for any of this. You guys have a tutorial video. Once you click on this, it will actually give you the source code of the indicator as well as a link to the tutorial video. So you do not need me over the weekend. You guys can get them all set up, and I'll be back here Monday. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next videos. Bye, guys.